houses out there. Oh, his house got a lot of damage. Oh, that house is gone.
That brand new house.
Oh my goodness.
They just look at
They just finished it.
It's gone.
We can't even go down London Ridge, I don't think. See if you can go left there.
I don't want to go up there and see his house. Look, you can't
Oh,
go
you
there.
can't get to his house.
Well, there.
Well, where? Oh
Look.
my gosh, that's the house that.
I don't think they even finished building that house.
Yeah, that one was all the cows.
You can see right where you come right this way right here and went straight towards Mama's.
Alright, we gotta get to Mama's. That house was always neat as a pin.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't ever think anybody lived in it.
You got the roof off that barn.
That was a house, I thought. Is that a barn?
Yeah, that's
It's got a
barn.
front door. I hope everybody's okay. This is just so sad. Oh my gosh.
Giving them food